This is a keynote on challenge-based learning. The resources were gathered and organized by Gary Beidelman. The resources are adapted from Challenge-Based Learning, a Classroom Guide, which is a white paper by Apple for Education. Challenge-Based Learning Framework. The Challenge-Based Learning Framework consists of the big idea, essential questions, the challenge, guiding questions, guiding activities, and guiding resources, culminating in a solution, the implementation of that solution, and a reflection on the process. The big idea. Every challenge starts with the selection of a big idea, which is a broad topic that has importance to students in their community. Most times for students, it's a personal issue. Some topics may be democracy, the environment, or sustainability. In urban environments, you may find students who choose to take on the challenge of poverty, gun violence, or drug use. Using iPads, students can browse the web to quickly define and better understand their big idea. We're going to use food as an example here. Essential questions. Students explore their big idea by asking questions that reflect their individual interests and community's needs. In a rural area, community need may be water for farming. A sample essential question would be, how does food impact our health? Another sample essential question could be, how do our diets impact the environment? Or what are the benefits of organic farming? Student journals. These may be written or recorded on video. Throughout the experience of a challenge, students should have the opportunity to document their personal and group experiences through written journals. And the written journal can be a blog, a wiki, or a social networking community like Edmodo or even Facebook. Students may also use video journals. You'll want to make sure that you can access the journals to track progress and include them as part of the evaluation process. Students can use the reflections to create a final product that represents their learning over the duration of the project. The challenge. From the big idea and from the essential questions, a challenge is developed to guide students toward a real-world solution. A sample solution may be, let's improve what we eat. For the example of decreasing drug use in the community, a sample solution may be, let's decrease the number of drug dealers in our neighborhood, or let's decrease the number of drug users in our neighborhood. For our food example, a sample challenge may be, let's improve what we eat. Google Apps can help students collaborate and communicate throughout the challenge by ensuring safe and secure access to email, chat, calendars, wikis, blogs, and more. Edmodo can serve similar functions. Documenting the process is also key during a challenge process. Students can record audio and shoot high-definition video of themselves in action and on the go using smartphones or iPads. The challenge proposal. Student teams may produce a short 30-second to 1-minute video that presents the big idea, the essential question, the challenge, and why the challenge is important to the learners. The proposal should be presented as a compelling invitation to others to join them in finding solutions. So the challenge proposal is like a persuasive video or persuasive piece encouraging others to join them in finding a solution to their challenge. Guiding questions and activities. To meet their challenge, students need to ask guiding questions. What exactly do we eat? What nutrients do we need? What foods can we grow locally? To find answers, teachers work with students to identify guiding activities they can do at school and in their community. Students can interview people about their diets via Skype and analyze nutritional data in Excel. Teachers should conference with students regularly during this part of the challenge and provide guidance and direction as students look to gather data and identify resources. Guiding questions. Once the challenge has been determined, students generate sets of questions that will guide their search for a solution. The question sets should be extensive and represent the needs of each group member. Students should move beyond clarifying questions into probing questions and use higher order thinking skills, like the higher levels of depth of knowledge, Costas, or Bloom's taxonomy. Research plan and timeline. This project is created by the students to organize and document their activities and resources used to research and answer the guiding questions. A well-prepared plan will ensure a thorough and organized learning experience as students search for a solution. The plan also provides a way to manage the learning experience. The teacher serves as a guide or mentor to ensure the timeline and milestones are appropriate for the time allotted. This becomes the learning plan for the group and for individual members of the group. And when you check in with students, or when the teacher checks in with students, they should check in on the dates and deadlines for their plan and timeline. Guiding resources. Students take advantage of websites, podcasts, apps, audiobooks, and other resources to help answer guiding questions and develop solutions. The internet provides instant access to some of the world's best thinking for free, including lectures, videos, and articles from hundreds of distinguished universities, libraries, museums, and news organizations. Students can also use iTunes U as a resource. Research reports. During the guiding question and activity phase, students can develop research or position papers to demonstrate their understanding of the research. These can be traditional research papers and/or short policy briefs. Solutions, implementation, and reflections. With their research complete, students choose one solution to develop. In this example, creating a school garden. To showcase their thinking, they can build engaging slideshows. Once the solution is approved, students implement it in the real world. The challenge is now complete and can be shared via a video or a website. At the end of each challenge, students reflect on the entire process to help deepen their learning and enrich future projects. Solution video. After the solution has been implemented and evaluated, each team creates a video presenting the solution to the world. This video includes information about the group, a statement of the challenge, why this challenge is important in their specific context, how it was implemented, how it was evaluated, and whether it was a success. Students should be collecting video, audio, and images throughout the experience to be used in the solution video. Final reflection videos. At the conclusion of the experience, the students reflect on what they learned about the content, process, and overall experience. Providing a series of prompts will allow the students to organize and present their ideas in a concise manner. Teachers should provide the students with prompts, encouraging them to think deeply about the process of coming to a solution for their challenge. Portfolios. The products created throughout the project are excellent resources for the development of student portfolios that provide evidence of learning and eventually be presented to external audiences.